Welcome to my QuadraNet Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. If you're considering QuadraNet as your internet service provider, I've added links to their services in the description below for your convenience. In this review, I'll cover their features, who they're designed for, and what makes them stand out in the market. QuadraNet is a global internet provider known for its enterprise-grade hosting, colocation, and network solutions. Designed primarily for businesses, QuadraNet offers services tailored to meet the demands of organizations that require robust infrastructure and reliable performance. Their offerings include dedicated servers, private cloud solutions, managed services, and a high-performance network, making them a great choice for companies with mission-critical online operations. One of the key strengths of QuadraNet is its global data center footprint, with facilities strategically located in major cities such as Los Angeles, Miami, Dallas, and Chicago. This ensures low latency and fast connectivity for businesses operating on a regional, national, or global scale. Their 24/7 365 support team provides proactive monitoring and technical assistance, ensuring that businesses stay online with minimal interruptions. For companies prioritizing security, QuadraNet offers advanced DDoS protection, firewalls, and custom security solutions, making it an excellent option for industries that handle sensitive data or are prone to cyber threats. Their enterprise backup solutions also provide peace of mind by safeguarding data with automated, redundant backups. QuadraNet is designed for businesses of all sizes, from startups needing flexible solutions to enterprises requiring custom configurations for high-traffic websites, applications, or cloud-based operations. With their bare metal servers and scalable cloud options, QuadraNet can grow alongside your business, accommodating expanding workloads without compromising performance. In summary, QuadraNet is an ideal choice for businesses seeking a reliable and secure internet provider that excels in performance, scalability, and customer support. Whether you're looking for colocation, cloud solutions, or enterprise networking, QuadraNet offers the tools and services to support your needs. Check the description for more details. And thank you for watching. I hope this review has been helpful.